Hello, greetings for 2026. Hope you enjoying the first day. So today I'm making roasted makki paneer for you. So that is for New Year dish. You will enjoy it. So I have sorted the spices for this, all the ingredients. So I got here tomatoes, coriander, basil, mint, green chilies, three onions, some garlic cloves and ginger, khada masala here. Basically, is bay leaves and big cardamom, cinnamon, and cloves. And got 400 grams of paneer. And got some oil, butter, and we'll go yogurt with that, yogurt and lemon. So, friends, I have the organize all the spices, so it's better to the now it's nice to juggle with that. But anyway, you don't need to juggle. This everything is organized. Let's cook with me, and I got two corn here. First of all, I'm roasting these corns and I'm roasting the paneer. So you will have a nice smoky flavor. So let's cook with me. Using fresh corn here. So it's very nice. You can use tin one or frozen one, but I would prefer to use the fresh one. So first of all, chop the paneer into small pieces just to match with corn pieces. Ginger and garlic. Now time to put the tomatoes, green chilies, some green coriander, turmeric, Kashmiri chili, and ground spices. Roasted corn. So before I roast a corn, make a space in the same box and put a little bit of butter here. It's a time to put corn. So it's Grazie. Now mix it up, and it's a time to add up coriander, and I got a basils. These are mint leaves because corn like the mint butter, corn like mint butter, little bit salt, little bit tanginess. So I'm adding up the lime here. Now time to add up yogurt. Now give it about 5 to 6 minutes. Nicely marry together. So now roasted corn paneer is ready. So done. Very nice fragrance. Time to try. Look at it, nice golden color, and it goes well with the bhatura, homemade bhatura. Or you can enjoy it with rice or chapatis or naans or whatever. It's your choice.
Such a wonderful,
Very, very delicious.
fantastic.